Imagine waking up at 4 a.m. every day to clean toilets for millionaire businessmen. Imagine earning just $1,500 a month, barely affording rent in a tiny room shared with 3 other people. Now imagine that just 8 years later, that same janitor is driving a BMW, living in a luxury apartment, and making over $180,000 a month. Impossible. That's exactly what they told Marcus Johnson, but he proved them wrong. And today, you're going to discover exactly how he did it. Stay until the end because I am going to reveal the exact strategy Marcus used to multiply his wealth, and how you can apply these same principles in your life. Marcus Johnson was born in 1992 in rural Tennessee, son of a housekeeper and a construction worker who abandoned the family when he was 5. Marcus grew up watching his mother work 14-hour days to support him and his 2 younger sisters. At 18, he made a life-changing decision. He took his $1,000 in savings and bought a one-way ticket to New York City. His dream was simple: get a better job and help his mom have a better life. But reality was brutal. With no skills, no diploma, and knowing no one, his money lasted less than 2 weeks. He slept 3 nights in the bus station until he got his first job, janitor, in a Manhattan commercial building. $1,500 a month. 5 a.m. to 2 p.m., 6 days a week. Marcus shared a tiny room in the Bronx, spent 3 hours commuting daily, and survived on rice, beans, and eggs. But underneath that janitor's uniform was a restless mind determined to change his life. And cleaning offices of tech companies and startups, Marcus began getting an education no college could offer. One day, while emptying trash, Marcus found a book thrown away, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He took it home. That night changed everything. For the first time, Marcus understood something revolutionary. He wasn't poor because of bad luck. He was poor because no one had taught him how money really works. The book talked about assets, investments, financial education. Marcus realized those office workers weren't smarter than him. They just knew things he didn't. That's when his obsession was born: to learn. Marcus started waking up at 3:30 a.m. instead of 4. He used those 30 minutes to read investing articles on his phone. During lunch, he went to the library and devoured books on entrepreneurship and finance. But his real advantage was observation. In the offices he cleaned, Marcus paid attention to everything. Conversations about startups, investments, business strategies, how people dressed, talked, negotiated. Marcus turned his janitor job into an informal business school. Are you taking advantage of opportunities around you or just complaining? If this story is inspiring you, hit that like button and subscribe to Fortune Pathways. Every week, I bring real stories of people who went from zero to financial freedom. And Marcus's story is just getting started. After a year of working and studying obsessively, Marcus had saved $4,000. He decided to invest in stocks. He chose a promising tech company and put in his $4,000. In 2 weeks, the stock went up 12%. His $4,000 became $4,500. He made in 2 weeks what took months to save as a janitor. Then came the tragedy. In the 3rd month, the company released bad results. The stock plummeted 45% in 1 week. His $4,000 turned into $2,200. He lost almost half his money. A year of waking up at 3:30 a.m. A year of sacrifices. Gone. Marcus went into despair. He stopped studying, stopped reading, just worked, ate, and slept. He felt like an idiot. A janitor trying to play the rich man's game. What a joke. For 3 months, Marcus lived his rock bottom. Depression hit hard. He thought about giving up and going back to Tennessee. But then came the turning point. One day, Marcus overheard 2 executives talking. One said, "I lost $200,000 on my last investment, but I learned more from that mistake than from all my successes. Now I know exactly what not to do." That hit Marcus hard. He realized he hadn't lost money. He had PAID for an expensive education. He learned that investing without knowledge is throwing money away. That night, Marcus decided to go back to studying, but much more seriously. No shortcuts. Build wealth the right way. Brick by brick. At 23, still a janitor, Marcus restructured his strategy into 3 phases. Phase 1. Increase income. One office he cleaned always had computer problems. Marcus studied computer maintenance on YouTube. One day, he offered to help. Fixed it in 20 minutes. The owner paid him $150. Marcus realized he could earn in 20 minutes what took 2 days as a janitor. Marcus started offering computer services to all building companies. Within 6 months, he was earning an extra $1,000 monthly. His income jumped from $1,500 to $2,500. Phase 2. Invest intelligently. This time, Marcus divided his money. 60% low-risk investments, 30% solid company stocks, 10% high risk. But his real advantage was how much he invested. Marcus saved 70% of everything he earned. He lived on $750 a month. No luxuries, no going out. Every dollar toward his goal. Phase 3. Build a scalable business. At 25, Marcus had $55,000 in investments. But he needed to become an entrepreneur. Marcus noticed small offices lacked quality IT support. They paid big companies that took days to solve simple problems. Marcus created an IT support company for small businesses. He worked nights and weekends while still a janitor. Charged half the price, solved problems in hours. Word of mouth worked. 6 months later, 15 clients paying $600 monthly. $9,000 a month from the side business. Marcus quit his janitor job. At 27, he hired his first employee. At 28, a team of 5. At 29, his company was billing $100,000 monthly with 40% profit margin. At 30, exactly 8 years after arriving in New York with $1,000, Marcus had a net worth of $1.5 million. His company was established. His investments generated $7,500 monthly passive income, and he owned an apartment in Manhattan. But here's the best part. Marcus never forgot where he came from. He created a scholarship program for low-income youth, renovated his mom's house, and every week, he teaches janitors about investing and entrepreneurship. Marcus's story teaches us 6 powerful lessons. 1. Your current situation doesn't define your future. Marcus started as a janitor earning $1,500. 8 years later, he's a millionaire. The difference was decision, discipline, and consistent action. 2. Financial education is your greatest asset. Marcus couldn't afford college but educated himself through books, articles, videos, and observation. 3. Start with what you have, from where you are. Marcus started with $1,000, a phone, and determination. Imperfect action beats perfect planning. 4. Turn mistakes into learning. When Marcus lost half his money, he treated it as a valuable lesson. Every mistake is an opportunity to grow. 5. Multiply income before expenses. Marcus invested 70% of what he earned, even when earning little. Wealth is built with discipline, not high income. 6. Create multiple income streams. Marcus didn't depend on one salary. He created extra income, then a business, then investments. Diversification is protection and acceleration. If this story inspired you, do 3 things now. First, like this video to help the algorithm reach more people. Second, subscribe to Fortune Pathways and hit the bell. Every week, I bring stories of ordinary people who achieved extraordinary results. Third, share this video with someone facing financial difficulties. Tell me in the comments, what was the biggest lesson from Marcus's story? I want to read every comment. Remember, your past doesn't determine your future. Your decisions today do. What decision will you make today that your future self will thank you for? See you in the next video. Your fortune is waiting on your path. You just need to start walking.